Hi everyone, in this short guide I'm gonna show you how to find user ID on your ByBit wallet account using your phone. So first of all, let me find ByBit on my phone. Tap on this application. So once you log in into your account, you can tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. There you go, and once you're here, you can see your email at the very top, and down below you can see your user ID, UID, and you can tap on this icon and your user ID will be able to successfully copy. So that's it. I hope it helps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about ByBit application. See you next time.